Hello and welcome to another RoboBacon tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining how to get good and reliable testing and data collection results. So first, you want to make sure whatever you're testing that you get enough trials in your test runs to make sure that your data is reliable. So as you can see in this test that I ran on January 27th, each of these tests that we ran have 30 trials in them. It is important to have that many trials because it is very difficult to get a reliable reading off of something like 4 or 5 trials. Next, you want to make sure that when you run multiple tests like I did here, that you compare the results of those tests. So in this first test, we got 25 shots out of 30 in the high goal. In the second test, we also got 25 out of 30. And in this third test, we only got 23 out of 30. Next, you want to make sure that if something in your test does not work, you don't just want to say no. For example, in this test that I ran on whether or not our robot's shooter system could shoot the ring into the high goal or not, I made a note to note that whenever a shot did not go into the high goal, I did not just say, no, it missed. I made sure to say, oh, it missed too high or it missed too low. Next, whenever you can use averages are very, very helpful in determining testing results. So the spreadsheet you are seeing now is a statistical spreadsheet of our 3 qualifying tournaments that we ran. It is great to have averages for all 3 tournaments, especially in these tournaments that have 6 rounds, so you can get accurate results through the whole test. And finally, when you have multiple results like this, like we do here for our 3 qualifying tournaments, it is good to compare the results of these tournaments to make sure what went wrong or what went right for certain tournaments and how to improve on them in the future. That will just about do it for me today. Have fun.